Hello guys, welcome back to the shed. So today we are going to have a quick review of this gauge for brake discs. The brand is Force and the number is 9T0106. So before even start measuring it, I'll just show you that the scales don't line up in here. You see, so 10 millimeters down here correspond to 9 millimeters up here in the scale. So just from this alone, I will say that this is trash. Don't buy it. But I don't have a brake disc here, but I have this old breadboard, and let's see if it can measure it accurately or not. Okay, so first I will use my micrometer, okay, to measure it. Okay, so it's, I'm not sure if you can see it well, but it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 60 more or less. Okay, 8 millimeters dot 60. Okay, so let's call it 8 millimeters and a half. Okay, straight away this is really loose, but okay, let's see if it actually is able to measure something. Well, it's measuring 5, 6, 7. It's measuring 8 millimeters, I would say. Let's see if I'm... Yeah, if I don't... The thing is that this... it has some flex to it. So it has a lot of flex. If you do strength, it goes to even 6, 7, 7.5 if you do any kind of strength. But if you just touch it lightly, okay. Okay, it's touching it and it's reading 6, 7, okay, 8.5. So it's not completely useless, but well, almost. So yeah, you see, first time use, and already it's like this. I paid, let me check how much I paid for this, and I'll let you know. Okay, so I've paid 12 euros for this. This is, I don't know, it should be around 10 pounds or around $15, depends on the exchange when you see this video. But use your money elsewhere, okay? Force 90106. If you have the option to buy something else, do it. Don't buy this one, okay? Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.